true pumpkin is coming back to Earth. I repeat, the true pumpkin is coming back to Earth. I think it's trying to save the Earth from the dark red text. So the dark red text coming out from dark red things, blah blah blah. So anyways, other than that, the true pumpkin is turning back to Earth. I repeat, the true pumpkin is turning back to Earth. So, I think this alert will be all around the world. Sincerely, this is like over a lot of inches. Wait, I don't know what the size of this thing is. I think it's bigger than the moon, I guess. Yeah, it's definitely bigger than the moon. So you may see another version of the moon for a short amount of time. Prepare for it to come close to the atmosphere. It's gonna burn up really large, causing forest fires. Okay, just don't concern with me here. Keenrix lives in Antarctica, but at least at the warmest part. At least that's good news, but it's very cold there. That's pretty weird, ain't it? Yeah, it's kind of true. It's very weird. Now, anyways, about the Dooms Protect news. So, the meteor will hit the laboratory, but he doesn't know how big the true pumpkin is. The legends in the old, Halloween EAS. Hello, I am Keenrix 2. Are you kidding me? Yes, I am just kidding, and second of all, I can transform myself into my different name and my true name. There we go. Okay, I actually kind of like that one better. Wait, this whole thing isn't a permanent change, right? It actually is a permanent change. What? Yay, it's a permanent change. We don't have to worry about it anymore. Wait a moment, why are there sirens going off? Wait a moment, I think it's coming! I am going to stop the dark red text!
I just got bored of it.
We can end it all right here.
Hello, everyone.
What's going on? Who are you?
Just come on, let's go.
All clear. All the rocks are gone and made the Earth's temperature rise to normal. We have the dark red text to explain this event. Please stand by.